Which chain stitch embroidery machine is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, new Embroidery Tear Away Stabilizer. First up is the new Embroidery Tear Away Machine Embroidery Stabilizer. Priced at $19.98, this product really caught my attention due to its high rating of 4.8 stars from over 14,400 reviews. If you're looking for a reliable stabilizer that ensures your embroidery stays crisp and clean, this is worth a serious look. What makes this stabilizer stand out is its temporary support for embroidery projects. It's designed particularly for natural fibers and thicker fabrics, meaning it holds your work in place without damaging it. The 15-inch width allows you to cut it into sizes that fit most hoops, making it super convenient. Plus, it's made from 100% polyester, which is skin-friendly, so there's no need to worry about irritation when using it on clothing. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A good stabilizer can make or break your embroidery projects, and this one is trusted by thousands. Now, some users have mentioned that it can tear too easily if you're working on very dense designs. Here's the thing though, this might be a deal breaker if you're doing heavy embroidery, but for most light to medium projects, it's a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable stabilizer for your embroidery projects without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something for heavy-duty designs. $420, you're getting great value here. Now, if the concern about density bothered you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Brother XR 9550 Sewing Machine. Next up, we have the Brother XR 9550 computerized sewing and quilting machine, which is priced at $269.99. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 4,700 reviews, this one caught my eye for its extensive features. If you want a machine that combines sewing and quilting with ease, this is definitely worth a look. This machine comes with an impressive 165 built-in stitches, which include utility, decorative, and heirloom options. This kind of variety is perfect if you want to explore different styles. Its automatic needle threader saves you time and frustration, while the drop-in top bobbin helps prevent jams. The 8 included presser feet make it versatile for various sewing techniques. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, these features make sewing much easier and more enjoyable. However, some users have reported it feels a bit bulky and heavy. But honestly, that's a small trade-off for the power and stability it offers. If you're after portability, this might not be your best option, but for home use, it's a powerhouse. This is perfect for you if you're serious about sewing and want a machine that grows with your skills. Skip this one if you need something lightweight for travel. For under $270, the value you get from this machine is hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who are looking for more than just sewing. Product number 3, HBI Wash Away Stabilizer. Now, let's talk about the HBI Wash Away Water Soluble Stabilizer, priced at $23.89. With a stellar rating of 4.8 stars from 3,000 reviews, this product caught my attention for its unique features. If you want a clean finish on delicate fabrics, this is a must-have. This stabilizer completely dissolves after use, which is fantastic for achieving a neat look that doesn't affect your final product. It's not just an embroidery stabilizer. It doubles as a tear-away stabilizer, which add versatility to your projects. It's also compatible with various sewing techniques, making it a reliable choice for different types of fabric. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you work with delicate materials or intricate designs, having a wash-away option can make your life so much easier. However, some reviews pointed out that it may leave some residue if not washed out properly. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the instructions for washing, this shouldn't be a huge issue and makes it worth considering. This is perfect for you if you often work with lightweight or delicate fabrics and need a stabilizer that won't ruin your designs. Skip this one if you need something that's going to stay in place after stitching. For around $24, it's a solid investment for your embroidery projects. Now, if versatility is what you need, the next product might be exactly what you're looking for. Product number 4, Brother SE 700 Embroidery Machine. Coming up is the Brother SE 700 Sewing and Embroidery Machine, priced at $547.67. With a rating of 4.4 stars from nearly 1,000 reviews, this machine offers a blend of sewing and embroidery features. If you want a machine that can handle both tasks seamlessly, this might just be your best bet. The SE700 boasts 135 built-in embroidery designs and 103 sewing stitches, giving you a ton of options for personalizing your projects. The wireless LAN feature allows you to easily send designs from your computer to the machine, which is super convenient. Plus, that 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery field is just the right size for most home projects. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The combination of sewing and embroidery capabilities means you can create more complex designs without needing multiple machines. Some users have mentioned that the software can be complicated to navigate. I'll be real with you. It might take some time to get used to, but once you do, the possibilities are endless. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a dual-function machine that can handle a variety of projects. Skip this one if you prefer something simple without the bells and whistles. At just under $550, you're investing in a capable machine. Now, if you're looking for something with more professional capabilities, the next product is a game changer. Product number 5, Smart Stitch S 1001 Embroidery Machine. Finally, we have a Smart Stitch S 1001 upgraded embroidery machine, which comes in at a hefty $3,959.10. With a 4.8-star rating from 313 reviews, this machine is for serious users. If you're diving into commercial embroidery, it's definitely worth considering. This machine offers 10 needles and a max speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, making it incredibly efficient for larger jobs. It has a massive 9.5-inch by 14.2-inch embroidery area, which means you can tackle bigger projects without switching hoops constantly. Plus, the auto thread trimming and color changing save you time and hassle. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're running a business or taking on large projects, the efficiency of this machine can significantly increase your output. That said, some users have pointed out the learning curve can be steep. Honestly, if you're new to embroidery, this might be overwhelming, but it comes with extensive training support to help you get started. This is perfect for you if you're serious about professional embroidery and need a machine that can keep up with your workload. Skip this one if you're just starting and not ready to invest heavily. For what it offers, the investment could pay off tremendously for serious users. In conclusion, we've covered a range of options from reliable stabilizers to powerful commercial machines. Each product has its own strengths, so the best choice really depends on your specific needs. To wrap it up, we looked at the new broth reed stabilizer for dependable support, the Brother XR 9550 for versatile sewing, the HBI wash-away stabilizer for delicate fabrics, the Brother SE 700 for dual capabilities, and the Smart Stitch S 1001 for professional needs. Each has unique features that cater to different embroidery desires. Choose what fits your projects best